Hey Lovies, it's your girl Malia back with another video, and today it's going to be a little bit different. We are not doing our typical makeup video. We are going to be talking skincare today, which has been my goal to actually bring you guys a little bit of skincare, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of body wellness, a little bit of mind wellness. So I'll definitely have like a crystal video coming soon, but today we are going to get right into the skincare. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment and let me know what your skincare routine is right now, especially as we're getting into the winter months. But today my skincare item of the week is this Pixi Skin Glow Tonic, and it is a toner with a glycolic acid in it, and it is great. I just recently started using it. Pixi is a new brand for me. I had never tried it before, but I saw it, so I was like, well, let me give it a try. If you guys don't know what toner is, it is like that in-between step in your skincare routine. So after you cleanse your skin, you want to use a toner, and excuse me, and the toner removes all that extra excess dirt and sebum that is left in the skin. I'm just looking at my notes because I made some just so. Back in the day, we used toner as a pH balancer after you used a cleanser, certain cleansers, and you always still want to use it after you use your cleanser and before you use your moisturizer or put your serum on. And the best way to use it is with a cotton pad, or you can even just rub it on with your fingertips and then use one of your little rollers, either the Rose quartz roller or a jade roller, and just roll it into the skin nice and gentle. These days we don't really need toner so much to balance our pH because our cleansers are different. They're a little bit better. They don't have as many harsh chemicals, and we have even like cleaner beauty that we use. So yeah, that's how we use our toners. The specific one, the glycolic acid, I'm really liking it. It takes off that top layer of dead skin and really gets in there. It's really good if you're acne prone or have normal skin. It can be a little harsh if you have dry skin. It's also good if you have combination. You just want to be really adamant about using your moisturizer with your SPF afterwards, and that's the way we use that. So glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, and like I said, it takes off that extra layer of deep skin. Really good if you are breaking out, are acne prone. Like I said, not so much if your skin is dry, because it's just gonna dry it out even more. If you have rosacea or any other super like skin disorders, you want to stay away from chemicals like glycolic acid, because after all, it is an acid. It can be pretty harsh, and if you have overly sensitive skin or super sensitive skin, you might want to be careful with that glycolic acid. Not that you can't use it, because certain products definitely have more. 5% is a good amount that the Pixi has in it, so maybe you want to test it out either in this area here or either on the chest. I'm talking about these things because, as y'all know, I'm a licensed esthetician also, so not just into the makeup, got to take care of the skin under the makeup. You want to make sure that you do the entire face, maybe even get behind the ears and on the décolleté or chest and neck area when you're using your toner. This particular Pixi brand, I'm just going to read off from the website. So it retails for $15 in the 100 ml. I bought a sample of it just so I can try it. It was 15 mls, and these were $4. I got this one at Target. You can get off their website. You can get it from Ulta. I did notice that Ulta right now, if you buy it online, it's normally that 100 ml is $15. They have it on sale for $10, so you might want to hurry up and go ahead and grab that before it goes off sale. They even have an even bigger size, which is 250 ml for $29, and I think that will last you quite some time. This has actually lasted me just this little bit quite some time. Like I said, I either like to use it with a jade roller in the morning because my skin has already been like cleansed and prepped, or you can use it at night before you go to bed, after you take your makeup off, after you cleanse your skin. Works really well that way. You definitely, with an acid, any type of acid, glycolic acid, any of the other ones, brain fog, can't think of them right now. You want to make sure that you are using that SPF before you go outside in the sun, even in the dead of winter, because with an acid, your skin is definitely more sensitive to the sun rays and things of that nature. So you want to make sure using that moisturizer with that SPF on it. And if you have makeup with an SPF in it, even better. This is actually the color of it. As you can see, it's got like a rose gold color with it. I actually mixed it with my Thayer's facial toner, which I also really like, and let me know. I can talk about that one in another video. If you like to hear more about the Thayer's, I actually mixed them together because I really like using the two of them together. You don't have to do that. You can just use the Pixi one by itself. So it says that the Pixi Glow Tonic helps you achieve glowing, refined skin, whether you're at home or on the go. I'm noticing on their website they have some really cute little like cleanse pads that already have them in there, so they're perfect for you on the go. Like after you take your yoga classes, after gym class, you need to use that extra oomph and keep your skincare routine at all times. But I don't know how much y'all going out. So far, I personally have not been back to the gym yet. I have not been to a yoga studio since I moved to Las Vegas, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared to go back. So it's at-home yoga. About to get into that at-home gym thing too. But back to this, it says that it has a 5% glycolic acid, and that it has red ginseng, which is an antioxidant that fortifies the skin and helps remove impurities. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So your skincare item of today is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic with the 5% glycolic acid in it. Let me know if you've tried it, if you really liked it. I'm noticing, in all honesty, it has really been really great because we are wearing the mask all the time. Sometimes I wear my makeup under the mask, sometimes I don't. And wearing that makeup under the mask, you want to be extra into taking care of your skin, because you can catch those breakouts. And I definitely have. I just have them covered up today, but I definitely was having like a nice little breakout area right here and right here. And this Pixi Glow Tonic has really been a great help with that. I had not been using any type of acid in a while, so coming back to it, I'm really excited to be using it. And let me know if you've tried it, if you liked it, you know what happened. If you have some questions about it, leave me a comment below. I will try to answer any questions that you have about your skincare routine, you know, cleansing your skin, using this product, and just let me know what your reaction to it was. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for joining me, and bye, lovies.